Welcome to Danny's Maths Hub, where this week we'll be looking at all things money. So welcome to my local supermarket, where we're going to take a walk around. We're going to learn about how we add and subtract money, how we pay in installments, how we work out what's the best buys, depreciation, simple interest and compound interest. That's what we're going to be learning over this week. But today we are simply going to be looking at how we add and subtract money. So please jump on board. We'll take a walk around the supermarket, buy a few items, see how much they cost and how much change we may get if we pay with a certain amount. But before I do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel and lets me know who's enjoying the content and who's actually learning from it. So let's get back to shopping then, and let's see what the first 4 items I bought were. Now, you may notice as we go, the first few items I buy are quite healthy, and I tend to get more and more unhealthy as I buy more items. So, the first 5 items I got are, and the first item I put in my trolley was a lettuce. Then I moved on, and I ended up picking up a cauliflower, followed by a red cabbage, and then along to the fruit section, where I picked myself up some pineapple, followed by a bag of lemons. Now, to be able to find out the cost of all 5 of these items, I'm going to have to know the original prices of them first. Now I've collected all my fruit and veg, I need to know how much they were. Well, the lettuce was 75 pence, the cauliflower is 98 pence, but it's represented as 0.98 pounds, and all I had to do to convert it between pounds and pence was multiply that by 100. So 0.98 times 100 gave me 98 pence. The cabbage was 95 pence, the pineapple was 99p, and the lemons were also 99p. So add them all up. The key is to make sure you line up the decimal places if you're working with pounds, but where we're just working with pence, we simply just had to line up our units. So we've ended up with our calculation looking like so. And if we added them all up, we'd have got 466 pence as our total. Well, 466 pence isn't usually how we'd give our answer. We'd usually give it in pounds, and remember, to go from pence to pounds we simply divide by 100, because to go from pounds to pence we times by 100, so to reverse that we divide by 100. So 466 divided by 100 gives us 4.66, which is £4.66. The next 4 items I bought was a bottle of squash, a bottle of milk, a pack of pasta and some panu chocolates. So once again, let's find out the price of these, add them together and work out how much they cost in total. We know that the milk costs £1.76, pasta costs 90p, squash costs 99p, and our panu chocolate costs us £1.35. Now, to be able to add these together, they all need to be in pounds or they all need to be in pence. So I'm going to turn the 90p and the 99p into pounds. I'll do that by dividing by 100, which gives me 0.90 to represent my 90 pence and 0.99 to represent my 99p. Now I have all these, I can add all 4 prices together by lining up my decimal point, and I continue with normal add-in. So I add up the furthest right column and work my way across, carrying the 2 and carrying the 2 again to get 4.90. 4.90 is £4.90. So then, for my final shopping trip, I went and got some cookies, followed up with some Coke, and then I went and grabbed some chicken from the fridge section, and then to top it all off, as a little bit of a pudding, along with the cookies, I got myself a cake as well. So let's once again find out the price of all 4, add them together. But this time, I only have a £20 note, so I'd like to know how much change I'll get back if I pay with a £20 note. So, the cost of all my items are £1.99 for the cookies, £3.50 for the chicken, the cake cost me 99p, and the pack of 6 Coke was £2.45. So all in all, if I total it up, it came to £9.63 by converting 99p once again into pounds by dividing by 100, lining up my decimal places and carrying as you do in normal addition. Now, the extra bit of this question was, if I had a £20 note, how much change would I get? Well, this then turns into a simple takeaway question. I start with £20, I take away the £9.63 that I've spent, that leaves me with £10.37. And that's it, ladies and gents. I do hope you've enjoyed coming around the supermarket with me. I do hope you see how easy it is to add and subtract money. It's no different than when we work with normal decimals or normal numbers. Simply line up all the place values and add and take away as usual. As always, there's a worksheet attached, so please do go ahead and try that. If you have any questions, contact me. Don't forget the subscribe button and have a fantastic day.